Welcome you all on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the most important foundations of academic and scientific research, the different types of research methods. Whether you are a student, a teacher, or a curious learner, understanding qualitative, quantitative, and mixed methods will help you choose the right approach for your studies or projects. Each method has its own style, tools, and purpose. And today, we'll break them down in a simple and practical way with real life examples. Qualitative research. Let's begin with qualitative research, a method that dives deep into human thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. It's not about numbers, it's about meaning, context, and personal experiences. For example, if a researcher wants to understand how cancer patients emotionally cope during chemotherapy, they might sit down with a few patients, listen to their stories, and document the emotions they express. This method helps us discover patterns, uncover motivations, and explore the richness of human experiences, often revealing what numbers alone can't show. Quantitative research. Now let's look at quantitative research, the method of facts, figures, and measurable outcomes. It deals with things you can count, compare, and calculate. This approach is ideal when you want to test a theory, measure a trend. Researchers often use surveys with closed-ended questions, experiments, or data from large populations. For instance, if we want to measure how effective a new blood pressure drug is, we might conduct a clinical trial on 1,000 patients and analyze the changes using statistical formulas. Quantitative research brings clarity, structure, and objectivity perfect when precision matters. Mixed methods research. Finally, we have mixed methods research, a powerful blend of both qualitative and quantitative techniques. It's used when one approach alone doesn't provide a complete answer. This method helps researchers collect rich, detailed data alongside measurable results. For example, in an education study, a researcher might first use a questionnaire to collect numerical data on student performance, that's quantitative, and then conduct interviews to explore how students feel about the teaching method, that's qualitative. Mixed methods allow for a fuller understanding, combining the strength of numbers with the depth of human perspective. So, to wrap it all up, whether you want to explore people's experiences, collect data you can count, or combine both approaches, the key is to choose the method that best fits your research question. Understanding these methods not only improves your research quality but also helps you communicate your findings more effectively. If you found this video helpful and you're passionate about learning, research, and the smart use of AI tools in education, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And tap the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates on powerful tools, academic tips, and productivity strategies for students and educators alike.